Hello everyone! Today in this video we will learn how you can generate dynamic coupon for your customers to recover abandoned cart or lost sales using ELEX Abandoned Cart plugin. So without further delay, let's go to our testing site and understand the process. Once you install the ELEX Abandoned Cart plugin, go to the settings page, click on email settings, then go to email templates. Now you can create a new template or you can edit the default template. Click on the Edit Template. If you want to understand the complete setup process, then you can follow the link provided in the description for complete setup guide. For this video, we will keep our focus on dynamic coupon creation. For dynamic coupons, you can select the coupon prefix, discount type. Currently there are two options available for discount types, that is fixed price and percentage discount. Next you can select the discount amount. Individual use only, enable this option to ensure the attached coupon code cannot be combined with other coupons and it can only be used individually. The filter option helps you filter the products on which you want the coupon code to be applied. You can configure the filter based on the product ID or product category. You can also associate the coupon with customer's email ID, products in the abandoned cart. Finally, you select the expiry period. In the next step, go to the email body and enter the shortcode for coupon code as shown on your screen. Once you save the settings, your email is configured with dynamic coupons. If you like, you can also configure the triggers, which will help you to set up when the emails will be sent. As we have successfully configured the email, let us show you a sample email. As we can see, our customer has received one email for the cart that has been abandoned. Now if the customer will click on Checkout Now, then they will be redirected to the checkout page directly with the coupon code being applied. That's how easy it is to set up the abandoned cart emails with dynamic coupons. Hope you have understood the steps of using dynamic coupons to recover sales from abandoned carts. If you have any further questions, then you can contact our support team by following the link provided in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ELEXtensions. Thank you for watching.